Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your thumbnail file meets format and size rules. JPG or PNG, 1280 by 720 or 16:9, and below 2 MB. Once done, sign into Streamchamp, then go straight to your dashboard where your streams and recordings are listed. Make sure you've selected the exact stream or video you intend to change. This prevents editing the wrong asset. Now that the target item is open, you're ready to access the thumbnail control in the item settings. Next, open the chosen stream settings and select the thumbnail or cover option. Click Upload, pick your prepared image, and use the crop and position tools to ensure key elements sit within the safe frame for 16:9 displays. Once positioned, apply or save the change. Streamchamp usually shows a progress indicator. Make sure to preview both the listing thumbnail and the player view because each can render slightly differently. Adjust if essential details are clipped or misaligned. Finally, hit save and allow Streamchamp to process the new thumbnail. Wait for the confirmation and then refresh the stream page to verify the change appears everywhere. If the image doesn't update, re-upload using a smaller file or switch formats between JPG and PNG because processing can reject certain metadata. Also, clear your browser cache or open the page in an incognito window to rule out local caching. This commonly fixes display mismatches and shows you the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.